Hi folks, I'm Doug Reid, and in this video I'm going to show you how I turn an offset leg, and this can have some nice applications for different furniture pieces. If you look closely at the end of this piece, this is the tail end, you can see there's two centers rather than the single one. You can see the two holes there, and that's the key to this. So once I have my cylinder and I've got my drive side marked, I cut that with a bandsaw, cut a couple grooves in it with a bandsaw before I start my turning. And then on this end where I'm pointing here is a secondary turning spot. So I'll mount my piece as I normally would, except on the tail end it's going to be remounted, and I just split the difference between the center line and the outside diameter of my piece of wood. The farther you get outside, the closer you get to the outside edge, the greater offset that you'll have in your turning. However, it's also the greater chance for the piece of wood to come loose from the lathe. So I usually pick a distance about halfway in between. And I'm going to show you two different variations of this so you can see what it will look like depending upon where you put that secondary center. Now I start off with the parting tool and I make a series of grooves, and I cut them down to where I'm right at the shadow or through the shadow line into the solid part of the wood, and I think you can see that just visually. And I want to make sure that I'm cutting downhill. I ride the bevel of the chisel, and really this is just half of a cove. That's what's forming the top part of my foot. With the other cut that you made. Now we'll come back in and clean this up a little bit. And here I'm repositioning my leg back to the original center. And here you'll see two variations of that leg. The one on the left, of course, is thinner, a little bit more delicate, refined looking, and has a greater offset to it. The one on the right would be fine for a footstool where someone was going to be standing on it and you needed a little bit more strength to the joint. Thank you for watching, folks. Please remember to hit the like and subscribe button if you did like the video.